Hi everyone. In previous classes we have seen some of the problems solved replacement of items that deteriorate with time when money value is not considered. So in the first problem we have seen when the scrap value is not changing year by year, and in the second problem we have seen the scrap value is changing year by year. Now in third problem he has not given any table or column regarding the maintenance cost, just he has described in a sentence way. So this is like this also they may ask the problem. So let us solve this one. So here a mission A is there. Mission A, the cost is 36,000 rupees and its annual operating cost is 800 rupees for first year, and then onwards it is increases by 8,000 rupees every year. So then he is asking us the best age at which we need to replace the mission if the optimal replacement policy is followed, and also he is asking us what is the average yearly cost of owning and operating the mission. So average cost అనేదాన్ని we need to find average cost. So already we are finding out the average cost in order to find the best age of replacement. Okay, so now let us solve the problem. Okay. So what is the cost of the mission? Cost of the mission A is equals to, so that is represented by C, and it is 36,000 rupees. Okay, so now let us find the best age of replacement for this one. So now first year I am going to find the average cost. So what is the maintenance cost in first year? So the maintenance cost in first year is 800 rupees, it was given. And what is cumulative maintenance cost? Before that no maintenance, so cumulative maintenance cost is also 800 rupees. Next, C minus S. C is cost of the mission, S is scrap value. So at anywhere in the problem the scrap value is not mentioned, so we should take the S value is 0 in every year. So C minus S now become as C, so that is equals to 36,000. Next, total cost 36,000 plus 800, so that is 36,800. So already I told that it is sigma Rn. Next, average cost 36,800 by n, so n is here 1, so you will get 36,800. Next, let us find the values for second year. So in first year the maintenance cost is 800 rupees and then increases by 8,000 rupees every year. So that means we need to add 8,000 rupees every year for the maintenance cost. So in first year the maintenance cost is 800, so in second year we need to add 8,000, so then the maintenance cost will be 8,800, right? Next, what is sigma Rn? Cumulative maintenance cost. So up to second year what is the total? So 8,800 plus 800, so you will get 9,600. So here scrap value is 0, so that's why here it is 36,000. Next, total cost 36,000 plus 9,600, then you will get 45,600. So what is average cost? 45,600 by 2, then you will get 22,800, right? Next, let us find third year. So up to how many years we need to find? That is the doubt you may get, as here the number of years is not mentioned, so that's why we need to continue this process until the if you see the pattern of average cost, the average cost goes on decreasing and again it will increase. So when at which year again the average cost is increasing, up to that level we need to find, right? So now in third year again we need to add 8,000 to this one, then it will become 16,800. so what is cumulative maintenance cost? So 16,800 plus 9,600. So how much you will get? 26,400. Then what is C minus S? 36,000. And what is the total cost? 26,400 plus 36,000. Then you will get 62,400. So what is average cost? 62,400 by now n value is 3. So how much you will get? 20,800. So if you observe the average cost, when compared with the first year it was decreased. When compared here this value is when compared with the second year it was decreased. So we need to move to fourth year also. So again you add 8,000 to this one, then you will get 24,800. So then what is the cumulative maintenance cost? Add these two. So 24,800 plus 26,400. You will get 51,200. Then what is C minus S? Same, 36,000. Next total cost 51,200 plus 36,000. Then you will get 87,200. Average cost 87,200 by now n value is 4 divided by 4. You will get 21,800, right? So now if you observe this, here the average cost if you observe, so the average cost decreased in second year and also decreased in third year, but in fourth year the average cost increases. So now we can stop the calculation of average cost. So now what is the minimal value? 20,800. It is the minimal average cost. So now what we can write here? So the average cost is minimum, that is rupees 20,800 in third year. Hence mission A should be replaced at the end of third year. So this conclusion statement we should write, then only our problem will be completed. So here you can observe one thing. So the calculation of average cost, it may the answer may come maybe after 10 years or 12 years or 15 years, like that. So the way length of calculation may increase. We can't say the answer you will get in within 5 years or like that. It may go up to 10th year or 12th year or 15th year. So until you will get a minimum value, you need to find that one. Okay. So this is the one model of problem when a particular the maintenance cost of the machine, particular things were not given. So as the number of years they did not mention, we need to solve the problem like this. Okay. So I hope you understand this problem, and let us I am going to give one more problem to you for your practice purpose. So this is the problem. So in the problem it was mentioned that a manufacturer finds his past record the data regarding to a machine was given. So the cost of the machine is given to you 50,000 rupees. Running cost or maintenance cost was given to you, and the scrap value. So here the scrap value is continuously changing year by year, and that was also given to you. And now he is asking you to find or determine the optimum policy. Optimum policy means what is the best age of replacement. So that is the thing he asked to find. So this is a general case of problem. So please solve it for your exercise purpose so that you will get a clarity. So here in the problem, at anywhere the money value is not given to you. So it is considered under the first model of the problem, right? So please solve it for your better understanding of this model. Okay, thank you.